Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very highly requested video for you guys. It is my jewelry collection. I didn't even think about ever doing this video before until over the past few months I have gotten non-stop requests to do a jewelry collection. So I thought I would do it for you guys. I'm like, wow, they're really intrigued by my jewelry. I feel like flattered. So I'm going to be showing you guys every single jewelry piece I own. It'll be very in-depth on my like everyday pieces, and then all my other like pieces that I don't wear on an everyday basis, I'll still show them to you guys. So I'm not gonna go like super into depth about those, but I will be talking about every single jewelry piece in my collection. So I'm really excited for this video. If you guys are excited, then just keep watching. So I will have as many pieces as I can linked in the description box for you guys to shop, of course, as always. We have so many different brands in this video that I'm gonna talk about. Have a lot of designer jewelry, and then I also have just like regular random pieces. So first off, I'm gonna talk about all the jewelry that I wear on an everyday basis. Then I'll take you guys into my bathroom and show you my little jewelry setup organization situation that I have going on. I recently did a vlog where I showed you guys how I organize my jewelry and like organized it on camera for you guys. So I'll have that link down below. And I also have like a lot of unboxings on some of my designer pieces, so I'll also have those videos linked down below. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with what I'm wearing on my neck. This first necklace I never take off. It's from Luisa. I did a video with them in February. I think it was for Valentine's Day, and I think it's called the Atom Bold chain necklace, pretty sure. I'll have a link down below, obviously, but it's 18 karat gold plated, so I never ever take it off. I love it so much, and I just wear it every day. And then right on top, I have my Christian Dior choker. I forget the name of the collection, but I have a ton of jewelry pieces from this collection, so I'll have it on the screen. I hope I have it on right, because I had to put it on myself, or else I would have put it a little bit higher, but my neck is really small, and I don't know which setting or which hook I put it on, because I had to do it by myself, like I said. But I really like this necklace. It's not real gold, so I don't wear it every day. Like, I don't wear it in the shower or anything, but it has held up pretty well. I got it a couple months ago while it was kind of popular, but now I feel like everybody has it. But I really like it, and I just love the big chain. And then it's just very simple and says CD for Christian Dior. So all my earrings I wear every single day except my first hole ones I'll talk about in a minute. But as far as like my little rhinestones and like my cartilage, and then this cartilage and my third hole and then my second hole, like I never take those out. I will take them out to clean them, but I rarely switch them out, like maybe once every 6 months. So I think I got like all these little studs from Claire's. I have so many like in a drawer back there of like brand new ones that I can like use. But yeah, they're like not real, and they're like silver, so like they turn or whatever, so I have to switch them out. But I don't really care, because not a lot of people like see my ear like this and like aren't like super up close. But I wish I had like real diamonds so I would never have to take them out and like switch them out, because they would just stay like super like sparkly and clean. But they're definitely not sparkly anymore, because I wear them in the shower, when I would get spray tans, the lake, the pool, the beach. I never take them out, like I said, unless it's to clean them. But I'm pretty sure they're all from Claire's. And then in my second hole on both sides, I have these little gold hoops, not real gold, obviously, from, I'm like totally blanking on the store name. Madewell. Yeah, these are from Madewell, and I wear them every day. They have turned a little bit, but not bad. I'm like just now looking at my ear, and I'm like, holy crap, I need to like switch my earrings out, but lazy. And then in my first hole, I have these little Louis Vuitton hoops. They're super cute, and they're just like gold small little hoops, and I really like them, and they go really well with the jewelry that I always wear. So I don't always have like earrings in my first hole. Whenever I'm going out to dinner or going out, I always have to have like a big hoop in my first hole. So when I would wear like little ones on the daily, it was like annoying to take them out and then always put like a big one in. So I just always leave my first hole open unless I'm wearing earrings for the day, if that makes sense. Like on a daily basis, I don't wear like anything in my first hole, if that makes sense. These are my new babies. I love them. And then I'll show you guys my bracelets and rings. Really excited. Okay, so for bracelet, this one right here is the Gucci Double G key ring with crystals, and I did an unboxing on this and the matching ring a couple weeks ago. It's super unique. Like, I haven't seen a lot of people with it, and I really like it because it's crystals, obviously. And then the bracelets, gold with little gemstones. And I really like it because Gucci doesn't come out with like a lot of gold jewelry. Like that's like affordable. The real gold jewelry is like the price of like Cartier. So I'm like, no. But Gucci used to have like a lot of silver jewelry and I'm like not into that. Wear a lot of gold if you guys can't tell. So yeah, when they came out with this collection, I was like, this is made for me. I thought it was super different and I was one of the like first people to get it. So really obsessed with it. Then I have the matching Dior bracelet to my choker. Like I said, can't remember the name, but just the infamous bracelet. This one's held up pretty well. I never take it off. I wear it to shower, everywhere, to bed. I never take my everyday jewelry off unless it's this choker right here. I don't normally sleep in this, and like my big hoops I'll take out. But everything else, my rings, my bracelets, this little necklace, I will always leave on to sleep with and whatnot. But anyways, I don't ever take this bracelet off, and it does have like a few little minor scratches, but nothing crazy. I really, really like it. I love how chunky it is. So that's that. This little Gucci one is supposed to be in the middle, but I need to tighten it so it can like stay in the middle, but it's supposed to be like this. So super cute. This bracelet right here is not Cartier. This is the only fake jewelry piece I own, but a brand sent this to me in the fall, I want to say. I don't even remember the name of the brand, but it was just like a replica brand, and they wanted to send me this bracelet, so I just let them. But it's held up pretty well for it to be like really fake. Yeah, it's held up really well. I used to get spray tans in this thing because you have to like use a nail to get it out, and I don't even know where my nail thing is for this, but oh well, I'm sure I could get it off. I always wear jewelry on my left arm, and then on this arm I just have a little scrunchie for my hair. But don't typically normally wear bracelets on my right arm. And then for rings, I'll show you guys my right hand. So I have two Cartier love rings. This first one is the Cartier love ring in yellow gold, 18 karat. I think it's a size 55. Fits perfectly on my middle finger, but on this hand it's like super loose. But I got it to wear on my right hand, so when I get engaged, I won't have my ring and then my Cartier rings on the middle finger, because I don't know, I'm weird, I think, that far into life. Yeah, so I bought this one almost 2 years ago, and I love it. I never take it off. It's held up really, really well, and it's just the basic one without the diamonds. And then this is the Cartier Love wedding band, and my parents got this for me, and it's engraved and it's super cute. I got this for my 20th birthday, both in a size 55. Love them so much. Oh, have them upside down. Hold on. These are just amazing, like my favorite jewelry piece in my collection. My Cartier rings came straight from the Cartier website, and like I said, I bought the love ring, and then my parents got me the wedding band. Whoa, lighting change, holy crap. Okay, so the clouds just decided to come by, but yeah. And then on my pointer finger on my right hand, I have my matching CD ring to the bracelet and the choker. My boyfriend got this for me for my 21st birthday this year, and I really like it. I got all these jewelry pieces, like the whole collection, like separately. Like this one I bought myself for my birthday. This one my boyfriend got me. No, I didn't buy this for my birthday. I'm totally kidding. I got this in the summer, or like fall, like a couple months before my birthday, I think. Anyways, I don't know. And then my boyfriend got me this ring for my birthday, and then I got the bracelet for Christmas. So that's my little Dior story. But I got all these pieces before the price increase. Maybe the bracelet had already had a price increase. But anyways, this ring, again, like the bracelet, has a few chips in it because it's not real gold. And no matter how hard you try to take good care of it, like it's gonna get chipped. My Cartier rings don't, obviously, because they're real. But Dior is just like, it's not fine jewelry. It's like costume jewelry, you know? But yeah, so I've got some chips in it, but I really like it. And I just wear it on this hand. And then on my middle finger on my left hand, I just have my Gucci double G key ring with crystals. Just looks like that. Super pretty. Do I have it upside down? I don't know. I switch off the ways that I wear it. Like sometimes I'll wear it where the G's are like facing you guys, and sometimes I'll wear it like facing me. It just depends. But it's really stunning. I love it so much. Like I said, I was like one of the first people to get it. So super special and just made for me. And it's just kind of like my signature look. I feel like my signature look is definitely the Gucci keyring collection with the Dior, because I don't know, I haven't seen like people mix it like I'm doing. But yeah, so that's my everyday jewelry. So now I'm gonna show you guys everything else that's in my jewelry collection. I'm just gonna like go over it really quickly. I do have a Louis Vuitton necklace and some Tiffany pieces, but I think that's all the designer jewelry that I have. I think. I don't know, we'll go see. I'll take you guys with me to my bathroom. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom now. I apologize, the lighting isn't gonna be the best, but I'm gonna quickly show you guys some of my favorite pieces. I'm probably gonna skip over a few just because I have so much. But yeah, okay, so we'll start in here. I have some random rings. I think these were from Princess Polly. Princess Polly back here. Kendra Scott, this one's really pretty. And then I have a Tiffany Co ring. And then some random ones, I think from Amazon. This one's from Adina's Jewels. It used to be gold, but I wore it every day. And then this one's from Adina's as well. There we go. That one's from Adina's. Okay, then some random earrings. Princess Polly, Adina's Jewels. Not sure, I think I got that at a little boutique for one of my cartilage. Pandora, Princess Polly. Yeah, I think these two are little lightning bolts. It came with that one in a set from a boutique. Kendra Scott, those are like my only silver earrings that I have. A Kendra Scott bracelet. I mentioned that I need to get this taken in and get a new band for it, but keep the little stones. Princess Polly jewelry over here. I think a little small boutique or small little business sent me these little beaded bracelets. I have some like random earring backs. I have more in like my Alex drawers in my filming room, but I just put a few in here for when I need another back, like if I lose mine or whatever. And I know you can get some on Amazon, but I already had some, so I didn't feel like I needed to buy any. I think this is a Kendra Scott bracelet. Yeah, a little Kendra Scott bracelet. Random little bracelet. Don't know where from. I think from the same little business that gave me these. And then Adina's Jewels. I used to wear this chain bracelet all the time. That was actually my second one because I lost one in the lake. And then, yeah, and then down here, a bunch of random earrings. These are my favorite from Sheila Fajl, whatever. And then I have the smaller ones from Sheila right here. They're slightly different gold, if you guys can see. These are more of like a champagne gold, and these are more of like a brushed yellow. So then I have some Kendra Scott ones. These from Amazon or Target. These I wore for like ever. They've got little rhinestones on them. These are like my everyday hoops, like this little drawer. These were from one of my parents' friends. They're a really nice brand. I forget which brand. But they gave them to me for Christmas one year. But they're just gold and have rhinestones all on them, and they're amazing. I love these. And I have some like random ones back here. And then I have my watch from Nordgreen. I did a video with them a while back, and I really like that watch. It's pretty. I have this random little thing that you can put like necklaces on, and it attaches them, so you can like layer them. I don't know. Okay, so then right here I have all my earrings that aren't in this little drawer. So I just have a bunch of random gold hoops. I would tell you guys where they're from, but I honestly have no idea. I got a lot of these from Princess Polly, I think. Oh, and Target, I think, for these. Why? Okay, I'm mad. Why am I doing this? Oh, yeah, so Target, probably like boutiques for these, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think this was like at an Ivy and Leo. Yeah, okay, and then right here, they're massive, like huge. I saw a YouTuber wear them a couple years ago and I just had to have them, but I think they're from BB. I think that's how you say it, but yeah. So got these. I've only worn them once, but whatever. These are some like random silver ones from like Target, maybe Princess Polly, I'm not really sure. And then these were from a local boutique. I honestly don't even remember which boutique. So that's all my earrings. Sorry if I'm not helpful. These are also little hearts I forgot to mention. And then back here I have my necklaces. So over here, I'm gonna try and show you guys, but I have my Tiffany necklace that I got in New York City when I was 16 years old. Just looks like that. Used to wear it all the time. I don't really wear silver, so that's why. And this was like part of my graduation present from my parents. Very nice, pretty layered necklace from a local boutique. These are just random silver ones that came in a pack. that I got forever ago. I can't even remember the website, but I think maybe Forever 21. I'm not sure, but I have them because just in case I ever need to wear silver, I don't know. I don't ever wear them. And then over here, I think this is just like a layered necklace from a boutique. And then this one is a giving key that I used to wear all the time. This one says Dream. So back here, I'm gonna try and show you guys. It's gonna be really hard, but I'll do it. So this one is from Hopi Boutique, one of my friend's boutique. It's just a little star, and then the same one, but with a T on it for Tori. I mentioned this in my last collective haul. I have a discount code, Tori15. If you guys wanna check her website out, I'll have a link down below. And then this one right here, oh, it's spinning, but this is from Adina's. And then this one is this two separate ones? I think it is. Hold on. Yeah, okay, so this one's like a little star choker. I'm trying to show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this is really hard to show everything. And then this one has a little cross on it. I don't know where those two are from. I think one of my parents' friends, again, gave me this necklace, the little cross one. And then the star one's probably from a boutique. This one is a butterfly one from Princess Polly. Used to be gold, but now it's like very tarnished. Oh, and then this one is also from Adina's. It says GM. Pretty sure it's 18 karat gold plated, but it's for my boyfriend. His name is Giovanni Mayas. So it's a little choker I used to wear all the time, but I honestly forgot I had it, so. And then back here, you guys probably can't see, but I have like a Scorpio necklace because I'm a Scorpio. Okay, and then over here, let's see if I can do this. My arm is hurting, I'm not gonna lie. I have a little 18 karat gold lock necklace from Adina's Jewels. And then a little G necklace like the one that has a T on it and the star from Anthropology. But if I would have known that Hope's Boutique had it, I would have gotten it from her, but this is for, again, my boyfriend's initial. And then this one right here is my Louis Vuitton reworked vintage necklace. It's just a real Louis Vuitton like lock and key. And then a like regular chain. I don't know, I got it from Frankie's Collective, I believe. It was like a little over $100, which isn't bad for a Louis Vuitton necklace, but whatever. And then this little choker, if it'll turn, is from Adina's as well. I have the matching bracelet for it right here that I showed you guys earlier. This is like a brand new necklace I haven't even worn. I don't even know why I got it. I got it like a year ago. I don't know where it's from. And then this one is just a like chain necklace from Target. It's pretty much everything. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Oh, and then in this little jewelry dish, I keep it next to my bathroom sink. I have this ring from Ana Luisa. I don't know if it's gonna focus. And I love that. I wear that a lot. And then this one from Princess Polly, but it's like really rusted. But yeah, so that's what I have there. I did get some earrings from Ana Luisa, but one of them fell down the drain, so I don't have them. Yeah, so if you guys remember the video I did with them and wondering why I didn't mention those earrings, it's because I don't have them anymore. Literally fell down the drain the other day, but that was the only thing that fell down the drain. Luckily, could have been much, much worse. So yeah, pretty sure that's it. But yeah, this is just my little jewelry corner. I have this from Amazon, I believe. Amazon, and then that's a picture. I don't know where I got it from. And then my jewelry dish isn't over here normally, but yeah. All right, guys, so that is it for my jewelry collection. Like I said, I will have as many items as I can linked in the description. I will definitely have all my everyday pieces. Probably can't find the studs, but I'll try and find something similar. I got these like forever ago. Like I said, I just get like a bunch of random studs and then like use them over the years. I got them like years ago. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think and what your favorite piece was. Let me know if you have any questions down below. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, click that bell, but every Sunday and Wednesday. Also don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. I love you guys so, so much. Let me know any video suggestions that you guys have for me, and I'll hopefully see you very, very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.